Hi developers, welcome to How to Fix. Today we're focusing on this unique bug that might have trouble with. So let's dive right into today's bug. First, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. So here's a clear explanation and the fix for this issue. Please pause the video to review the explanation. Now let's write the right code and let's see the output. And there we go. The code is running smoothly and our output is perfect. The bug is gone. Well, that wraps up our tutorial for today. If you found value in this video, do remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding solution videos. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding, everyone.